Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. On June 16, 2026, Health Canada issued a significant public advisory that has sent ripples through the wellness and medical device sectors. The regulator has taken a firm stance against the importation, advertisement, and sale of unauthorized soft-shelled hyperbaric chambers, classifying them as illegal and highlighting the serious health risks they pose to consumers, including the risk of death. This action serves as a crucial reminder for all manufacturers and distributors about the importance of proper device licensing and the severe consequences of non-compliance. Health Canada's warning was specific and direct. It identified these soft-shelled chambers, which are portable and inflatable, as unlicensed Class II medical devices. The regulator detailed several severe risks associated with their use. First is the risk of fire. The pressurized, oxygen-rich environment inside these chambers can cause materials to ignite more easily and burn with greater intensity. Second is the potential for suffocation and other injuries related to changes in pressure, which can damage the ears, eyes, sinuses, and lungs. Finally, Health Canada warned about the risk of spreading infectious diseases, as the soft materials can be difficult to properly disinfect between users. The advisory stressed that the therapeutic benefits often advertised for these devices for conditions like autism, cerebral palsy, and cancer are unproven and unsubstantiated for these unlicensed products. The implications of this advisory extend to a wide range of stakeholders. Manufacturers, importers, and distributors of these specific devices are directly targeted and are required to immediately cease all importation, advertising, and sales in Canada. However, the message has broader significance for any company operating in the burgeoning wellness device market. This enforcement action signals Health Canada's low tolerance for products that make medical claims without undergoing the necessary regulatory review and authorization. Clinics and consumers who have purchased these devices are also advised to stop using them immediately due to the safety concerns. In response, Health Canada has outlined clear enforcement measures. The regulator is actively identifying companies selling these unauthorized devices and is directing them to recall any sold units and to stop all marketing and sales activities. Health Canada is also collaborating with the Canada Border Services Agency to prevent further importation of these products. This public advisory is part of a broader strategy to inform Canadians of the risks and to ensure that non-compliant products are removed from the market. Companies that fail to comply with these directives may face further regulatory action, which could include fines and other penalties. For regulatory, quality, and market access teams, this event underscores the need for proactive compliance. We recommend several practical actions. First, conduct an immediate and thorough audit of your product portfolio to identify any devices being sold in Canada without the required medical device license. This is especially critical for products marketed for general wellness that may cross the line into the medical device definition. Second, scrutinize all marketing and advertising materials. Ensure that any therapeutic claims are explicitly supported by the evidence submitted to and approved by Health Canada under an active device license. The advisory makes it clear that unproven claims for unlicensed devices are a major enforcement trigger. Third, for companies developing new products in this space, it is essential to establish a clear regulatory classification strategy from the outset. Do not assume a wellness product is exempt from medical device regulations. Finally, if you are a distributor or importer, communicate immediately with your manufacturing partners to confirm the licensing status of all products you handle for the Canadian market. Request and verify copies of their active Health Canada medical device licenses. Navigating the line between wellness products and medical devices can be complex, and regulatory enforcement actions like this one from Health Canada highlight the high stakes involved. If you need assistance with device classification, licensing, or developing a compliant market access strategy for Canada or other global markets, please check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find links to our free AI tools and our global regulatory database. Thank you for listening, and we will see you next time.